Okay, everyone, never ever tamper with fire alarms outside of your own house, especially in public buildings. Even if you are going to somebody else's house and they have a fire alarm system in their house, you still don't tamper with that because are they your alarms? No, they're not. So don't tamper with them. If you come to my house, do not tamper with my alarm. If you tamper with my alarm, you will get in big trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested. So never ever tamper with my alarm. When you visit my house, you leave my alarm alone. Take this very seriously. The only fire alarms you can tamper with is your own fire alarms in your own house, but not at somebody else's house, and especially not in public buildings. Fire alarms should never ever be messed with outside of your own house. Bye.